Hey, it's Ben. I've got this traveling food storage container. The company sent this to me to make this review, so let's take a look. First of all, I just want to point out that this is plastic and stainless steel. The plastic is listed as BPA free, so that's good if you're getting the stainless steel because you're conscious of the materials you're touching your food. The handles fold up like that, so easy to carry. Also folds flat so you can stack things on top. Now this does unclip. The lid has a rubber seal around it, so it's going to keep it airtight and keep everything fresh. So not only does the container itself have lids, but each individual container has a lid as well. And these lids seal on pretty well. And here's the stainless steel container. When you take all of these out, this is completely empty. So with these removed, there's no dividers or anything. It's just one big open container. So potentially you can even use this as its own storage or food container. So you could potentially even put a few of these in here, even fill it with some ice. Each one of these containers is 300 milliliters, which is roughly a cup and 1 cup and a quarter. So you can very easily fit 1 cup of food in here with some room left to spare. Everything here is dishwasher safe, and of course there's many uses for this. Camping, picnics, road trips, day trips, anywhere you need to bring along some snacks. You could even use this for non-food items, crafts. I mean, this is just a great product. Simple materials, non-toxic, and the way they designed it, you can just use it in many different ways. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.